And some breaking news at this moment. BJP MP Sakshi Maharaj has opened a new front as far as the terror war is concerned, attacking Samajwadi leader Azam Khan's comments on the Paris attacks. Sakshi Maharaj has accused the UP minister of having links with the ISIS and Al-Qaeda, saying it was Azam Khan who prepared the target list for the terror outfits. The BJP MP also targeted what he says is dual standards of the world community on terror, alleging that attacks in India were termed communal, while elsewhere in the world, similar attacks were terrorism.
देखिए, आजम खान जब भी बोलते हैं तो राष्ट्र के विरोध में बोलते हैं, और आज खान जो भी कहते हैं उसका जो अर्थ होता है वो राष्ट्र विरोधी अर्थ होता है। इतनी बड़ी घटना घटने के बाद आजम खान का ये कहना कि एक्शन का रिएक्शन है, मुझे लगता है ये उन्होंने फ्रांस का मजाक बनाया है। ऐसे आदमी के खिलाफ तो एफआईआर दर्ज होनी चाहिए। और टीपू सुल्तान की बात हो और चाहे पेरिस के हमले की बात हो, ये ऐसा बयान देते हैं जिससे लगता है कि आतंकवादियों का आजम खान साहब समर्थन कर रहे हैं। श्री आजम खान साहब का बयान कि नहीं अलकायदा क्या करेगा इनका, मुझे लगता है अलकायदा की लिस्ट किसे मारना है किसे नहीं मारना आजम खान साहब बनाते हैं।
Amir Haq now joins us on the phone line. Morning, Amir. Sakshi Maharaj commenting on international affairs and terrorism is one point. The other is this brutal verbal war or a verbal brawl with Azam Khan. Can you take us through what is this reaction? What was the main reaction to which Sakshi Maharaj has reacted?
Well, Sanket, what Azam Khan said yesterday has already received widespread condemnation. In fact, leaders within his own party are also embarrassed that they are not coming forward to support him. Also, from various quarters, the Samajwadi Party as well as the government has been asked to clear their stand on terrorism. And as to what Azam Khan had said, he clearly said that there's a reaction to an action. Once superpowers like America and Russia attack, civilians there in Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Syria, they should see to it that if there are attacks in such countries, there could be a reason on why they were attacked in Paris. So clearly, his statements deserved the kind of condemnation that they got. But then, Sakshi, the likes of Sakshi Maharaj, or Giriraj Singh or Sadhvi Prachi, reacting to the likes of Azam Khan and Owaisi will certainly, it sets rolling a sequence of a different kind, where political leaders, because of their political leanings and to appeal to their respective vote banks, start making such irresponsible statements which clearly divide the entire polity into communal lines. And that's what perhaps these leaders are doing again and again. This time as well, when Sakshi Maharaj goes ahead and calls Azam Khan as belonging to Al-Qaeda or the Islamic State, he clearly, starts to divide the society into two parts. And that's what, in fact, he clears in his statement, that the entire world is divided into the ones who either support terrorism or stand against them. So this kind of a political discourse and discussion is definitely very, very negative and clearly devised to score political mileage. Clearly, this shouldn't be happening, and something, this kind of a statement and counter statements being made is really unfortunate.
Amir, do stay on with us. Let's also quickly listen in to what Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan had said about the Paris attacks, which actually evoked this sort of response from Sakshi Maharaj.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो हम उसकी निंदा करेंगे बहुत कड़े शब्दों में, और उन हमलों की भी निंदा करेंगे जो सिविलियंस पर, बेगुनाहों पर, शहरियों पर, सिर्फ तेल के कुओं पर कब्जा करने के लिए अमेरिका और रूस ने किए हैं। जब तक ये मालूम नहीं हुआ था कि इन रेगिस्तानों में तेल है, सोना है, यूरेनियम है, प्लेटिनम है, उस वक्त तक अमेरिका को कोई नाराजगी नहीं थी। पहले ये देखें आप कि बेगुनाहों को पहले किसने मारा, फिर बाद में किसने मारा। बहस का मामला है।
So that was the statement that was given by Azam Khan. He talked about a chronology of terror. Clearly that has not gone down well within his own party also, as Amir Haq was pointing out. Amir, if you could tell us a little about these two leaders and their respective parties. What is the view within their respective parties about the statements that they make?
Yes, Ankit, these leaders have always been known to air their own personal views as against the stand taken by their party when they talk to media. And time and again, be it Azam Khan or Sakshi Maharaj, the Samajwadi Party and the BJP have clarified that these could be their individual views, their personal views. The party does not correspond by them. And same is the case here. The Samajwadi Party top brass is so embarrassed with what Azam Khan had said that they haven't even come out, and openly supported him for what he has said, because there can never be a reaction justified against an action when it involves killing of innocents. And talking about Sakshi Maharaj again, if he makes a direct comment where he says a senior leader like Azam Khan is directly involved with Al-Qaeda or the Islamic State, that's also a very serious kind of an allegation. He's a senior cabinet minister in the UP government, and if a cabinet minister in a state government is involved with a terrorist organization, this is something that nobody would be able to explain in the entire government setup. So clearly, this would again be construed as individual view of Sakshi Maharaj, which perhaps the BJP as a party on the whole, or the government there in center will not approve of. And we still do not have the views, official views from both the parties, but definitely, as it has happened time and again, this would again come out to be construed as personal views of these leaders.
All right, thanks very much, Amir Haq, joining us from Lucknow. Let's quickly listen in to what Sakshi Maharaj had to say as a reaction to Azam Khan's statement. It'll be interesting to know what the view of his party is, though.
देखिए, आजम खान जब भी बोलते हैं तो राष्ट्र के विरोध में बोलते हैं, और आज खान जो भी कहते हैं उसका जो अर्थ होता है वो राष्ट्र विरोधी अर्थ होता है। इतनी बड़ी घटना घटने के बाद आजम खान का ये कहना कि एक्शन का रिएक्शन है, मुझे लगता है ये उन्होंने फ्रांस का मजाक बनाया है। ऐसे आदमी के खिलाफ तो एफआईआर दर्ज होनी चाहिए। और टीपू सुल्तान की बात हो और चाहे पेरिस के हमले की बात हो, ये ऐसा बयान देते हैं जिससे लगता है कि आतंकवादियों का आजम खान साहब समर्थन कर रहे हैं। श्री आजम खान साहब का बयान कि नहीं अलकायदा क्या करेगा इनका, मुझे लगता है अलकायदा की लिस्ट किसे मारना है किसे नहीं मारना आजम
निसगम मनी पमग निपमग सनि पमनि सपस। जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी